how to secure your Wise account from fraud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So your Wise account holds your money and protecting it from fraud is a must. And in this video, I'll show you the top ways to secure your Wise account like a pro. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here tip number 1, that is to enable the two-factor authentication. So first, always enable two-factor authentication in your Wise settings because it adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone during the login process. And with that, moving forward to the tip number 2, that is to use a strong and unique password. So here always create a strong and unique password and try avoid using the same password across the multiple sites. And if you have a problem with that, a password manager can help you keep it safe. And with that, tip number 3, that is to be aware of phishing emails. So here always watch out for the phishing emails pretending to be from Wise and never click on suspicious link and always check the sender's email address. And with that, moving forward to the tip number 4, that is to keep your app and device secure. So keep your Wise app updated and make sure that your phone has a lock screen passcode or biometrics enabled. And with that, moving forward to the tip number 5, that is to regularly check account activity. So here you can regularly check or review your transaction history, and if you spot anything unusual, you can directly contact Wise support immediately. And with that, moving forward to the tip number 6, that is don't share the login info. So here never share your login details with anyone, not even someone claiming to be Wise support. Wise will never ask for your password and there with any suspicious calls or emails messages, if you get the messages to send you the login info, try to avoid it as much as possible. And that's it. By taking these steps and stay one step ahead, you can avoid or prevent your Wise account from being catched up by fraud. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.